What's going on, guys? So I'm going to do a fresh video for you guys. If you guys just watched the last video, that was on the levels of supply and demand that I made for today's session, right? And I made those last night. So here I am with new levels for us to kind of look for into tonight, which is the 27th, into pre-market, which will be the 28th, and obviously intraday. So what we're looking at here, for as big as a rally that we had today, 100 points, 150 points or whatever on the Nasdaq not too much, right? I mean, a lot of these stocks are still trading below levels of supply. When we talk about the Nasdaq stocks, what's giving us a boost right now? Facebook, right? Facebook is giving us a boost after hours. Is Facebook going to kind of save the bulls here? And are we going to get some sort of dead cat, bounce that's going to be significant enough to kind of wet our beaks, right? Because for me, until we start getting back over the daily 5-day moving average, I really can't trust the bounces long, because they get pulled at any time, right? Anytime. Even today, if you look at it intraday, right, we had a few bounces intraday, they immediately get pulled back in. We get a little bit of a flush and then it bounces and then it gets pulled back in. It's not really going anywhere, even though the day did finish green. Yes, you could have caught some trades, but it's not the cleanest price action, right? So let's go ahead and look at what we got going on today. Purple line on my screen, definitely same thing as always, guys, 20-day moving average. The yellow line is the 200-day moving average here. 200-day moving average is declining, right? So it is sloping. We do have the 20-day moving average approaching this. If we can get this crossover here, that would be a little bit more bullish. The level that I'm looking for here, obviously, is to get back over this 200-day moving average here, but I want to get over that, and I want to take out this high, and I want to take out this rejection supply zone here, and I also want to take out, if you look here farther, going back into Monday, a lot of this support, right? So this support is now going to act as resistance, acted as resistance, acted as resistance, acted as resistance. When we get here, does it continue to act as resistance? If it does, we could be expecting to come back down to the support and demand zones, right, of around 12.9 to 9. This would be a potential short opportunity, and you would use the 13.254 as your stop. But here's the case if we're going to get a dead cat bounce, right? If we're going to get a dead cat bounce, what we need to do is take out 13.254, something around that area. We need to take this out, and then we need to back test, and then we need to push off higher. Once we get into this channel, we do have room all the way back up to 13.584. That's going to take us back into this previous rejection and supply zone here. So definitely keep that in mind. If you do take a trade above this zone, make sure that we stay above this zone. And as long as we're above this zone, you're going to stay in this trade. Definitely, if we're looking for a short position, even though this is going to present a good little opportunity here for a 20 SMA play short to the downside, you do have 100 points worth of room, but just understand that it's very choppy in this range. So make sure it's a quick scalp. When you do get in, make sure you get green and kind of get the hell out of there. Definitely be taking money, because you don't want to get down in this region, stop anywhere, and then start to reverse on you. Obviously, the bigger short level here is going to be the 12.929. If the market does decide to roll over, let's say it does something like this and it rolls over, you're going to have a clear short position below 12.929 into 12.799. That's this low here. And if we do take out the 12.801, 12.799 area, then definitely this is a macro flush down here for another leg that we could see. So, different ways we can play this. We can play long, we can play short. Just make sure you're playing the levels accordingly. You do want to be trading with the market, not against the market. Use these levels to your advantage. And also respect your stop loss, respect your risk, so forth and so forth. I hope this video helps. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the Discord if you guys are looking to get funded. Maybe you guys don't have enough capital to trade futures. You guys want to get funded up to $150,000. I could definitely help you guys out with that. I work with a great prop firm. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys need a trading strategy that you guys can use the first 1 to 2 hours of the market open, definitely check the first link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one.